We love pergolas.
And they're a perfect place to gather with friends and family.
Here's how we built this one. Mark the bottoms of your rafters so that they all line up the same way, and then install them on your layout so they're evenly spaced, then fasten with framing nails or screws. Then evenly space and install the purlins across the tops of the rafters.
I created this bench to be more than just a cozy place to relax, but also it's a perfect place to put platters of food or to create a bar for a fun outdoor party. And now we can enjoy the outdoors in style.